Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to edit products on Shopify. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So if you see, currently I am on my Shopify dashboard. So guys, to edit products on Shopify, we need to click on products and then products page will be shown. If you see over here, all the products which are listed on the store will be shown. Then there is an option at the top right corner. We can export the products, we can import new products, and under more action, we can hide the analytics also. And to add a new product, we need to click on add product. But in today's tutorial, we are not going to see how to add new product, but how we can edit products in Shopify. So let's select a product. And once we select, then guys, we can see the details of the particular product. So what particular detail that product has. Okay. So the product is going to have product title. That is the title over here. Then we have the description, we have the product medias, that is the images, then we have the offer price and the MRP price. Then we have the tax option, whether you want to charge tax on the product. We have the SKU details. We have the tracking quantity option, and also we can specify the weight and all. Guys, we can also specify the vendor, collection, and even product type. So now let's edit this particular product and I'll show you detailed steps how we can do it. Okay. So now let's remove this particular title first. And I'll say this best, what I'll call it, slide. Okay. I'll just add a random title. Okay. Best slide. Okay. And I'll add a description as this is a best product. Then guys, you can upload the images by just clicking on the add option. Then you can select the image and you can add the image. Okay. Then guys, let's change the price. And I'll say the offer price is 1000 rupees and compared price is 1500. So 1500 is the MRP and 1000 is the offer price. If you want to charge tax, then enable this option, otherwise remove this. Then this particular option is not mandatory, but if you want to add the cost per item, then you can add it. Like suppose I'm selling for 1000 rupees and MRP is 1500, but for you, what is the cost of it? Then I can say that 500. And if you see, since I'm selling for 1000 rupees, 500 is my profit because the cost of per item is 500 rupees and 50% is margin. Okay. Then guys, we can enter the SKU code. Okay, I'll say the whatever like this. Okay, based upon what is the SKU code of the product that you are selling, just enter it over here. If you want to track the quantities, then enable this option, otherwise disable it. Okay, if you enable it, then guys, if you see, you can specify the quantities. And let's uncheck. Okay, you can also sell a digital product. Like if you want to sell a software, then disable this particular option, then the product will be a digital product. If it is a physical product, then enable this option. Then guys, you can specify the weight of it, like how many kgs. I'll say 1 kg. Also you can add some custom information like the country of origin. We can also specify the variants, like what is the size. I'll say medium. So again, the size is large. Wait, let's delete this. Okay, I'll say medium. Then I'll say large. Okay, I've added these two particular options. We can also add color. I'll say red, and I'll say blue. Okay, this is how we add variants, and variants you can see over here. You can also specify individual amounts also, like I'll say 1200 for this particular medium variant. Okay, then guys, at the right side over here, we have the product category, we can change the category by selecting from the drop down over here. Then we can select the product type as whatever option you have, or you can type one. Okay. Then guys, you can select the vendor, select the collections and the tags. Okay. Then guys, click on save. As soon as you click on save, all the product details that you have edited will be saved. Now let's click on preview. Okay. Once you click on preview guys, a new window will open and you'll be able to see all the details that you have edited inside Shopify product. Okay. So medium, large that we had given in under variants, blue and red color. So guys, if you see 1200 for medium and there's some bug, and that's yeah, there you go. For large, the amount is 1,000 rupees, and for medium is 1,200 that we are given. Okay, this is how we basically edit products on Shopify. Guys, if you like this video, then please go ahead and subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications to my new videos. Thank you.